I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Audi A5 with dead key fob, full guide. Hold the dead key fob against the start button ring, depress the brake pedal fully, then press the start button once to crank the engine. If the car does not start, wait a few seconds and repeat the sequence while ensuring the fob is aligned. Check dashboard messages for immobilizer prompts. Place the emergency key fob flat against the start button center and keep it steady. With your foot on the brake, press the start button once and hold briefly if needed until the engine turns over. If the engine stalls, cycle the ignition by releasing the brake and trying again after 5 seconds, checking that the fob battery contacts are clean and the key is not damaged. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it helps you out. That really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I showed earlier, perfect for podcasts and hands-free guidance while you work on your car. I put a link and other deals in the description below for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. If the initial attempt fails, try swapping to a spare key fob or install a fresh battery to rule out power issues. Inspect the fob for corrosion or damage and clean contacts gently if needed. Make sure the brake pedal is fully depressed and try different angles against the start button. Persistent immobilizer alerts or no crank conditions mean a professional diagnostic is recommended to check antennas and vehicle electronics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.